Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move someone from one folder to another, as in if you've created them in the wrong folder, be it a learner in an assessor's folder or something similar, and also how you can change a learner's assessor. And the same would apply if you're changing an assessor's IQA. So I'm going to log in as a super user or center admin. Go to the user file. As I say, I have an extra step here because this is a test center with multiple users. Click there. This is my actual test center. And like in your center, you wouldn't click users there. You would click the name of your center. And this is where the actual staff and learners information is retained. So in this case, I'll look under users in assessors, and this person here is actually a student. As I look into his entries, and it says he's a candidate, so I need to go and move them out of this folder into the correct folder. So I'll go back into users. You'll see there I have the option to edit his details. He may have changed address, suspend the learner, delete them completely, or move them. So I'm going to click move. Now, as I say, this is a test center, so there's multiple centers in here, but this is the one that we're focusing on, and I'm moving him out of the assessors into the learners folder. Click save. OK. I want to go and look back in the learners, click users, and I'll see that the student is now in the correct place. Now, if I needed to change who his assessor is, I will click edit, and you'll see there just below his name it says assessor trainer. I would select that, and again there's lots of assessors because this is a test center, and I could change who his assessor is. I'll just scroll down, and underneath upload there is a save button. Click save, click OK. He's now under a different assessor, and the same would apply if you needed to change an assessor. So again, click there, and you'll notice there it shows that his IQA is John Peters. If I wanted to change it, I could go and select one of the others. Okay, thank you.